Ron Goldy, an extension educator at Michigan State University, digs vegetable research.
I always like digging potatoes because it's kind of like a kid at Christmas, because you really never know what's inside until you dig it.
Gourmet potatoes are items on Goldy's research plate.
Chefs, gourmet market, high-end clientele, and that's why I'm growing them here, is because a lot of our growers in this area go over to the Chicago farmers markets, and a lot of foodie types hang out at those markets and are looking for something different. People like to have something different in their diets. But the whole idea is to show the growers in this area that they can grow these here and they can take them over to the Chicago area, and what they find is that you can get like 4 times the price for these as you can for regular potatoes. And so that's the whole idea behind this.
One advantage to conducting research at the Southwest Michigan Research and Extension Center is the ability to introduce soil-borne diseases such as Phytophthora on various vegetables.
It's a soil-borne disease, and so it's always in the soil. Once you have it in the soil, it's there. The best way to deal with it is to never get it in the first place. And so that's why growers need to practice proper rotation, because probably it's in very low levels on most sites in Michigan, and as long as you have good rotation, the inoculum levels probably will not get high enough to be a problem. But if you plant squash after squash after squash, or follow squash with pumpkins, squash with peppers, and keep planting crops that are susceptible to it, then you allow that inoculum level to build up to the point where it's always going to be there. They actually will go through here and inoculate the soil with the disease, and that's why we do research on experiment stations, okay? Because growers would not want us to do this on their farm.
Michigan State University AgBioResearch, changing the face of science.